go ahead and get these lights taken off. I'm not going to show you the whole process because it'll be kind of boring for you. It's pretty simplistic. It's got these 1/4-inch screws, and you can just pop under here. It's probably falling to the ground. Maybe not. There we go. Pry that off, and that gives you access. So we're going to go ahead and pull. There's 3 of those. Let's see, 5 up top total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we got the 2 tail lights. I figured I'd show you real quick how these come out, how easy they are. You can see that I've already pulled a couple of these off. There's some of that putty behind here to kind of waterproof these, so we'll end up taking all that off, obviously. See if I can get that over to my junk pile. Basically, once you pull these out, you don't have to do anything to get the little housing off. You can pull out the bulb. Try to do this with one hand. All right, just pull out the bulb. It slides right into that little piece right there. And then once you do that, I may not be able to show this. You can see in there how that's kind of offset, if that makes sense. It's twisted, you know, like 1/8 of a turn or something, so it locks into place. So really, you can just twist that inside. I don't think I'll be able to do it with one hand, but oh look, I did. And just push that out the back, okay? And then that'll push right through there when it comes time to pull that off. So we'll do that to all these, and then we'll check back in. We're back at the back of the camper again. We have the, you can see up here, where's it at? Right there. We've got all of those taken off. So that's good to go. Now I'm going to, let's see here, if we can transition around. We're gonna start working on these guys. They come off a little bit different, but not too bad. There's a little clip here on the side that removes this, the cover. And then once we get in there, kind of the same deal. I'll show you what it looks like. We'll unplug it, get the bulb out, get the housing off there, and then we should be able to start pulling some of this aluminum off. Had a bit of a fail on that. This thing's so brittle that this tab broke off right here. So I'm probably just going to replace this whole unit. That's what cracked off with barely any pressure at all. So you can see here, easy, take the bulb out, right? Let's go ahead and take let's look at this behind here. Man, it is stuck. Probably a good thing. That means it had some, and it looks like there's some water damage behind it too. Look at that. I don't know, I don't get it. Let's see. All right, to uninstall these, it's real simple. There's a clip right here. There we go. Shock that came undone so easy. You can see the wires run through there. There we go, now I'm in frame. You can see that the wires go through there. So all I'm gonna do, there's 3 wires coming out of this light housing. I'm just gonna remove each one of those. Do the same over here. And that should give us all the access that we need. Start pulling these off, and then we're gonna just replace the tail lights. I don't like what's going on with these housings anyways. They are so old and brittle and faded that I wouldn't even, it'd be a waste of time to try to reuse them. So I don't think they're gonna be too much. I think I've seen them for maybe 15 bucks or so a piece. I could be completely wrong, but we'll cross that bridge when it comes time to ordering them. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwire these, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done.